What's going on, guys? It's Nando back with another video. And in this box, we have what you cannot find in store. Or if you do find it in store, it's been taking you months to search for it probably. Apple Airpods. Came out, or let's start this way. Apple Airpods were announced in what, September, October? Finally released right before Christmas, right before the holidays. Yet, such short supply. We are now in early April, and you still have a 6 to 8 week wait period. I ordered these on Best Buy probably 3 weeks ago, and I was expected, or they told me that my expected ship date would have been end of April, early May, and then last night they said it's shipped, and here they are. So I'm stoked that they're here. I'm finally ready to check them out. This is going to be just an unboxing, just to look at what's inside, and obviously we're going to put us through its paces, and let's get started. So we need this. There you have it. $159 for some regular earbuds that have the cable cut off. $159 for some blow dryers for your hair. I mean, the jokes go on and on and on, but honestly, from what I've seen, from what I've heard, they work well and they're super freaking cool. That's at least my opinion. No, I will not be coloring them. I will not be spending another $100 premium just to have them a different color. Apple, just make them in different colors. Now, literature that no one reads and no one uses. More, definitely more literature that no one reads and no one uses. So what's up with Apple not giving us stickers anymore? Like, y'all really gonna skimp out and cheap out on some stickers? That is unacceptable, Apple. Unacceptable. Least you can do. Look. I can't even begin to describe how tiny this thing feels. And is. Because every single video that I've seen to this date about these AirPods do not explain and really, really show how tiny this guy is. I mean, you can essentially close it in your hand. Probably the size of dental floss case, maybe? I don't know, but it is super, super small. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, see? Magnetic. Well, that thing is so small. And then kind of just plop it back in. Oh, look, you guys see that? You guys see that little glow? I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's trying to connect, but definitely came with a charge. And that's it. That's all we get. Oh, that's not it. Lightning cable. And now, that's it. So there you have it, guys. The Apple Dental Floss Edition Airpods. Smaller than what videos make it seem to be. I mean, I don't even feel like I got a big hand, but I can almost cover it. Stay tuned for more videos on the Apple AirPods. Guys, please like this video if you enjoyed the unboxing, and please subscribe for those future videos. I'm Nando, and I'm out.